Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome back to another video. This video is a set of Fiji coins, mainly to do with animals. So it's been allocated the prefix of ACH 43 or Animal Coin Hunt 43. This first coin is a 50-cent coin. This one is a bit different from the other coins in this Fiji set, in the fact we have the coat of arms on this side, and on this side we have an athlete. Which way around, see? That way. He's a Paralympian from 2012. This coin was actually issued in 2013, the year after the Paralympics were held in London. And it celebrates Ilassi Delaney, and that's L-L-I-E-S-A and then D-E-L-A-N-A. The mintage for this 2013 Paralympian coin is just 500,000. The next coin is a 50-cent coin. Oops. That's the wrong one, sorry about that. Oh, come on. So for some reason I had these stacked up in the wrong order. This is a 50-cent coin from Fiji, and it has the sailboat, which is an outrigger, a Fijian outrigger. I believe it is the Kanakua. That's C-A-N-A and then K-A-U. There's no mintage for this coin. The value and the outrigger boat is on this side, and then on the other side we have make sure it's the right way up. We have the country name, and the animal on it is a parrotfish. Sorry, a rabbitfish, is it? It's a Vanicoa. That's V-A-N-V-O-C-A, which is a humphead fish. It's a 50-cent coin. Excuse me, I need to turn the fan off. It's not being silent as it's supposed to be. Oh. Everything's too near a proximity, and everything gets knocked over every time you move something else. I do apologise for that. There's no mintage for this coin. Next we have a 5-cent, which is this one, this small one here. Oops. On this side we have a lali. That's an L-A-L-I. It's a Fijian drum. And on this side there's another fish, and this is the fixed face rabbit fish. There are no mintage figures for this coin. That's the $1 one, isn't it? Next one is a Fijian $1 coin. It is some squashes known as Vicus squashes on this side. On the other side, which is national history thing, is a banded iguana. Got that the right way up. There we go, it's the right way up. The animal on there is a banded iguana. The squashes are also used sometimes as water bottles. There's no mintage on this particular coin. The next one is a 20-cent coin, which is this one. On the other side, or on the one side, is a parrot, a Calavaro, and that's Kaolava, shining parrot. This 20-cent coin from 2012 has no mintage, and on the reverse of the parrot we have the value of 20 cents, and we have a sperm whale tooth on a piece of rope to make it into a something similar to a necklace on a rope or a chain, to make it similar to a necklace. The next coin is a $2 coin, and this is it. On this side you have a footed vessel or bowl, and it's known as a tanu, and that's T-A-N-O-U. Again, there is no mintage for this coin available. The coin was minted in 2012, and on the reverse you have a falcon, the country name and year, and the falcon is a peregrine falcon. Very nice coin. And finally, the final coin of this Fijian animal coin hunt. Which way do I want to show it? It's that way first. Right, this is a 10-cent coin from 2012, and it is a throwing club or a battle club with a 10-cent value on that side of the coin. On the reverse we have the country name, the year, and the animal. I'm not sure, I think it's supposed to be that way up, is actually is a fruit bat or a flying bat. They tend to hang upside down in the roosts, and these fruit bats are huge. They are very big, but very docile and very lovable. So that ends this coin hunt. Let me just get that coin out of the way and show the bagger. Right, if you've enjoyed this coin hunt, could you please give me the thumbs up? If you believe I deserve it, if you've not already subscribed, will you please do so? I am aiming to get to 250 by the end of this academic year. The rest at the end of this year, so New Year's Eve going into New Year's Day of 2024. I'm looking to reach the target of 250 people, or 250 subscribers. At the moment I'm on around about 226, and that is in the beginning of September, mid-September. I think it's September 23rd is the date today when I'm recording this. So there's a few weeks to go, but I'm also 25 members short, or 25 subscribers short. So if you can help me out, I'll be grateful, and I look forward to having you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes, etc. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins or banknotes, then I hope you can get the items that you want for the price you want to pay. Thank you for staying to the end of the hunt, and from me, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.